Hi, my name is Nicole, a certified nurse practitioner, and I'm here to tell you your life is about to get better. How, you ask? Well, does fabulous tasting food that's ready to go interest you? And what if that food is made from real ingredients that's low in carbohydrates and sugar, but not stingy in heart-healthy fats and protein to keep you full, satisfied, and running on all cylinders? Sound too good to be true? Not at all. Introducing FitFuel Foods, the new convenient alternative for meal prep. Soon, you will be able to order incredible tasting food you don't have to prepare or have to go to the grocery store for. No more grocery lists or complicated recipes. Just a click of the mouse and meals will be prepared fresh and ready for your pickup. FitFuel is for everyone, but if you are fitness minded, following a low carb or keto friendly recipe, diabetic, looking to lose a little weight, or just looking for easy, energy-filled meals that look no further, I can't wait for you to try my recipes and see that great tasting food can be healthy and convenient all at the same time. Fill out the form on this page for updates regarding FitFuel's arrival, more about the menu, and access to links to my Facebook and YouTube channel. I can't wait to meet you all very soon.